Hey, Rick Sammon here, Canon Explorer of Light, Kelby 1 instructor. Today I have 7 tips plus a bonus tip for you on how you can make great pictures on Scott Kelby's Worldwide Photowalk in a city. The bonus tip is this: check the weather before you go out, because if it's going to rain like it is here, definitely pack an umbrella and pack a camera cover too. Very, very important to keep your gear clean. Okay, let's get right to my 7 tips. Number 1, don't settle for snapshots like this kind of boring snapshot I took in Miami's South Beach. Rather, make a picture, as I did here by using the hotel's hose to wet down the street to create some nice reflections. Here's another example of not settling for a snapshot. This picture of a fast-paced dominoes game has no action, but by using a much slower shutter speed, a 15th of a second, I added a bit of action and motion to a still picture. Number 2, wait for the best light. Hey, my friends, you may not get the best light on a photo walk or the best weather, but since you're in the area, you can plan on going back to the location when the light gets good. Number 3, slow it down. Use slow shutter speeds to get that streaking light effect in your photographs. Here, I used a 30-second exposure to get the light streaking through the entire frame. Number 4, look at the nice blue light in the sky in this photograph. So the tip is this: the best time to take a nighttime picture is actually not at night. Try to photograph when there's still a little bit of light in the sky. Number 5, consider your aperture choice as well as your shutter speed choice. This picture has tremendous depth of field because I shot with my Canon 16 to 35mm lens set at 16mm, and I chose an aperture of f/16. Same with this picture: wide angle lens, small aperture. Number 6, use a foreground element to add a sense of depth, scale, and place to a photograph. To get the entire scene in focus, you'll need a wide-angle lens, small aperture, and focus 1/3 into the scene. Number 7, be ready for HDR. Shooting in a city usually means dealing with high-contrast scenes. You can reduce the contrast with HDR. This is my favorite image that I've taken at the Dumbo Pier in Brooklyn, New York. It's the result of combining 6 images at, over, and under the recommended exposure camera setting and merged into a single HDR image. For HDR, it's best to use a tripod, wide-angle lens, and small aperture. For this shot, I used my Canon 8 to 15mm zoom set at 15mm. Well, my friends, I hope you have fun making pictures in the city on one of Scott Kelby's Worldwide Photowalks. I also hope you have better weather than I'm having right now. I'm Rick Sammon. I'll catch you later.